Alright guys, it's 4:19 p.m. We're getting started on this green ash tree here. It's got a lean bunch of smaller ash trees around it. So it's going to be a little tricky trying to piece it down, but we'll get it. Alright, this job's just about done. You can see we're just finishing off there. We've got 2 lines here that we're avoiding. This is a no cleanup job, so we'll be in and out.